The Daruifuno pH controller can detect and compensate for temperature. First, long press the menu button to enter the main menu. Select 2, temperature. In 1, temperature type, the user can choose the type of temperature resistance connected. NTC10K, PT1000 and manual. Set the temperature type here according to your electrode. If your electrode does not have a temperature resistance, you can manually enter the temperature here. For example, if I set it to 25 degrees centigrade, then the main interface will display 25 degrees centigrade for temperature compensation. In 2, temperature format, the user can choose the format of the temperature display. We offer options in Celsius and Fahrenheit. In 3, temperature calibration, the user can input the target temperature value and calibrate the temperature measurement value to the input value. In 4, reset calibration, you can restore the temperature calibration data to the factory default value. Our sensors have temperature resistance NTC10K or PT1000. If you are interested in our products, you can contact us.